my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. So today let me start GK Unit 4 chapter number 20, Inventors and their inventions. Means आविष्कारक और उनके आविष्कार. Name the inventors of the following inventions with the help of guess corner given below. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर कुछ इन्वेंशंस दिए गए हैं, कुछ आविष्कार हैं और हमें लिखना है कि ये जो आविष्कार हैं इसके जनक कौन है ना, या इन आविष्कारों के आविष्कारक कौन कौन है और उनका जो है यहाँ पे कुछ हेल्प बॉक्स दिया गया है, यहाँ से हमें ये चूज करके लिखने हैं. नंबर 1 इज रेडियो वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय गुग्लियमो. गुग्लियल्मो GUGLILMO. Okay, now second one is इन्वेंटेड बाईसाइकिल है ना. तो ये बाईसाइकिल किसने इन्वेंटेड की थी? आई होप के मैकमिलन ने. हु? यस, दिस वन, दिस के मैकमिलन. तो हम यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे के मैकमिलन. नाउ number 3, refrigerator was invented by James Harrison. Yes, this one, James Harrison. Yes, James Harrison. Okay, so number 4 is this is bulb. Invented the bulb. Bulb किसने इन्वेंट किया था? थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन ने. Yes, this one, Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, so number 5, this is revolver. So revolver was invented by Samuel Colt. This one. Okay. Number 6, this is safety pin है ना, जिसे हम ड्रॉप करते हैं, मतलब पल्ला दुपट्टा वगैरह. So safety pin was invented by who is William Hunt. Hunt. Number 7, dynamite. What is this? This one is dynamite. Invented the dynamite who? Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel. Number 8, invented the computer Charles Babbage है ना. Understood it? Charles Babbage. Okay, so these are the inventions and their inventor. Okay, so the chapter is end here. Let's begin the chapter number 21, computer parts. Okay, unit 4, computer parts. तो देखते हैं ये कंप्यूटर के कौन कौन से पार्ट्स हैं. Let's start. So what is this? This is monitor. Next one, this is keyboard. Number 3, this is CPU. Number 4, was it this is printer? No, this is DVD. This is DVD. Okay, next number 5, this is printer. Next one, number 6, this is mouse. Number 7, what is this? This is UPS. Okay. Number 8, this is back camera. And last one, number 9, these are speakers. Okay, so these are computer parts. I hope you all very understand. Okay, so the chapter is end here. Let's begin the chapter number 22, the solar system. So in our solar system there are 8 planets. ठीक है, हमारा जो सोलर सिस्टम है उसमें 8 planets हैं. Answer the following questions. So, number 1, which planet do we live? हम कौन से planet पे रह सकते हैं, जीवित रह सकते हैं? हम अर्थ पे रहते हैं. Which is the fastest planet in our solar system? This is Mercury. Okay. Now, which planet rotates clockwise? तो जो planet है, तो वो clockwise है. कौन सा है वो planet जो clockwise rotates होता है? ठीक है, so this one is Venus. Which planet is closer to the sun? सन के सबसे पास जो planet है वो कौन सा है? Mercury. Which is the largest planet? सबसे बड़ा planet कौन सा है? Jupiter. Number 6, which is the hottest planet of all planets? This is also Mercury. Which planet has the maximum number of satellites? This is Jupiter. Which planet is called the red planet? Mars. So, the solar system. Okay, the chapter will be and here. So let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. Space travel. Unit 4, chapter number 23, space travel. Science has progressed so much. Okay, ये truth है कि science ने बहुत ज़्यादा progress कर ली है. Science has progressed so much that we can go into space. Fill in the blanks with the help of guest corner given below. So यहाँ पे कुछ pictures दी हुई हैं, ठीक है, उनके बारे में लिखा हुआ है. अब ये कौन कौन से लोग हैं जो स्पेस पे जा चुके हैं, है ना? So the number 1, the first woman to die during space flight is, who is she? Sharon Christa McAuliffe. So, Sharon क्रिस्टा, मैं यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा शॉर्ट में लिख देती हूँ. ओके, सो द सेकेंड वन इज द 2 एस्ट्रोनॉट्स हु फर्स्ट सेट फुट ऑन द मून आर, जिन्होंने चांद पर पहला कदम रखा. वो 2 एस्ट्रोनॉट के बारे में बात हो रही है. तो हु इज मैकऑलिफ एंड नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. थर्ड वन इज The first dog to be sent into spaces. Who's the first dog? सेकेंड में हम मेंशन करेंगे दिस नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग एंड एड्यूरिन एल्ड्रिन, जो मून पे दो लोग गए थे। तो कौन कौन थे वो? नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग and second one is this is Adrian Aldrin. Okay, so the number third is, last one is Apollo 8. The first satellite launched by the America is Explore 1. Okay, good. Next one is, say, 5. The first woman to go into space, Yuri. Valentina. Who is, this one is, this is also done. 2. Valentina Trishna. Okay, Laika, Yuri. Number 4, into space, Laika. Number 5 is Yuri. Valentina Tereshova. No, Yuri, Laika. So the number 3rd is, the first dog to be sent into space is Laika. Number 4, the first man to go into space is, जो सबसे पहला इंसान था जो स्पेस पे गया, who is it? Who is? Laika is done. Yuri Gagarin. Number 5, the first woman to go into space is, Valentina Tereshkova. Okay. Number 6, the first satellite launched by the America is Explore 1. This one. Explore 1. Number 7, the first mission to orbit the moon is, so this is Apollo 8. This one. Apollo 8. So, okay, so the space travel chapter is in here. Now let's begin chapter number 24. Science unit 4, science word 24 is famous scientist. तो जो फेमस साइंटिस्ट रहे हैं उनके नेम हमें यहाँ पे मेंशन करने हैं. ओके, सो नंबर 1, APJ अब्दुल कलाम. He was a great scientist. Number 2, CV Raman यानी कि C वेंकट रमन. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now next one is CV Raman. Now number 3rd, who is he? Walter Hunt. This. Walter Hunt. Number 4, who is he? Alexander. Parks. Alexander Parks. So, number 5, who is Marie Curie? Number 6, who is he? Johannes Kepler. Johannes Kepler. Number 7, who is she? This one is Rudolf Diesel. Now number 8, Joseph Priestley. ठीक है, so the last one is J.L. Bayard. Okay, so the famous scientist chapter, and here, so now let's begin the chapter number 24, instruments of science. साइंस के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यहाँ पे हमें बताने हैं ये कौन कौन से हैं. साइंटिफिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर यूज्ड टू इन आवर डेली लाइफ. दे आर यूज्ड इन साइंटिफिक वर्क. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स with the help of guest corner given below. Used to know the direction. So let's start. Number 1, dash is used to know the direction. Compass. Number 2, dash is used for checking temperature of your body. So this is thermometer. Okay. Number 3, dash is used for listening to the heartbeats. This is stethoscope. Number 4, dash used to make fun of things look nearer and bigger. This is binocular. This is binocular. Dash is used for looking at distant stars. This is telescope. This is telescope. Now next, number 6, dash used to measure atmospheric pressure. So what is this? This is barometer. Okay, so the unit 4, so GK unit 4 is completed here. I hope you all are very understand these chapter. Thank you.